Formula One is a constant race against time, not just on track, but off track. We're chasing tenths of seconds.
The countdown really begins when the checkered flag drops on a Sunday. Our engineers pull apart the data from that race in so much detail to help understand what we need to carry forward to the next race.
Each circuit is different, it has its own challenges and it has its own characteristics, whether from the type of corner or from the altitude that it's at. So the car is bespoke to each circuit that we visit. Up to 1,000 components could change from one race to the next.
It's always about this race to manufacture the next designs to make it more adapt to the next circuit. So let's say it's a new front wing for the next race. There are hundreds of hours of compute resource and lots of brain power go into making sure that design is the best it can possibly be.
In total, there are 850 people working to one goal, and that's of course winning.
If we can't manufacture the next components in time, all that will be wasted.
For me, the perfect lab doesn't exist. When you start looking into the data, there are always things you can improve.
We're a data-driven business, and that data is our lifeblood in terms of how we develop and optimize these cars.
With 20 plus races a year, the car changes every race, our software changes every race, and as a result, our infrastructure has to change every race. Without having solutions from HPE, we can't drive those processes. CFD, aerodynamics, vehicle dynamics, the simulations. Being software defined, we can bring new apps into play, we can bring new VMs, storage, networking. All of that can be added, removed, all on the fly, saving massive amounts of time.
That race weekend, when we hit the circuit, that is our first chance to see at full scale how those components are going to perform. Is it going to be reflected with what we saw in our theory? That's where the data comes face to face with the real world.
Working with Hewlett Packard Enterprise is a hugely beneficial partnership for us. We're able to be at the cutting edge of technology in a highly technical, highly stressed environment that is no bigger challenge than Formula One. It's that marriage between creativity and data that has allowed us to achieve the success that we have over recent years.
Being in the car, driving it on the limit, that is the best thing out there.
HPE is fast, quick to market, just like we are.
They have that same passion to win.
It's that innovation and creativity that ultimately achieves winning Grand Prix.